Hello little learners. Welcome to For Thun Kids Learning, where learning is fun and exciting. Get ready to explore, play, and grow every day. Let's jump into today's fun learning adventure. Parrot, sparrow, peacock, pigeon, crow, owl, duck, hen, rooster, eagle, kingfisher, lovebirds, hummingbird, canary, robin, toucan, flamingo, pelican, penguin, ostrich, swallow, woodpecker, kite, myna, crane, stork, vulture, seagull, macaw, dove. Great job, kids! We hope today you had lots of learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye, kids.